My hair before the Brazilian keratin treatment, Prohall Select One. Let's try it.
We needed Select One,
Tinting mask,
Equalize Mask,
bowl, brushes, and hair clips.
Step 1.
Wash your hair and dry it. Section your hair. Mix Select One with Purple Mask for blondes. Apply the product to strands of hair. This product provides better alignment with each application.
Purple Mask will prevent color changes.
After applying the treatment, let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then rinse your hair without shampoo. Brush your hair and dry with a hair dryer.
Section it again and use a flat iron to straighten your hair 10 to 15 times. This step is crucial. Select One is formaldehyde free. No fumes or eye irritation during ironing. After ironing, be sure to use a pH balancing mask to stabilize your hair's pH balance. And here we have the final result. Easy brushing. My hair feels incredibly smooth, shiny, and frizz-free. The Prohall Select One treatment has definitely delivered on its promises.